Guys, time check.
First
It's
time.
already 11:50
First time.
First time nila.
PM. Ang
Macdo.
layo naman. Yung Jollibee yung malapit.
Ayoko dun.
Jollibee.
Ayoko dun.
Sila alam.
Walang shake price.
I-shake kita dyan.
Sana may dumukot ng cellphone.
Ano daw?
Sa kupang ganyan. Nasa tulog ka.
No.
Uy!
We're not going to sakay. We're going to walk. Galing ko na mag-English tong.
Buiset.
Gagi, gantong-ganto ako eh.
Oh, please stop. We're going to run. Oh, we are walking.
Kidnapping! Mahuli pa angat.
Alam na nagab yung common sense.
Oh my God.
There's an
Di ba ayaw mo ng ganyan? Gamayaan.
Gab, putang ina.
Di ba ayaw mo ng ganan?
Tapos pag nasa sana ako, di na siya tatawag na ambulansya.
Siga ka ba, boss? Boss!
Bossing! Bossing!
Nagsasend na lang ganun, nakilala na.
Panis. Bossing.
Kupal ka ba, boss?
Nung
Kupal ka ba, boss? No.
No, we're not kupal.
We're kapal.
No,
Babae.
I'm not kapal.
Then what are
You
you?
are the only one.
I don't have lipstick.
I don't
Cause
care.
it's fading.
Okay,
It's faded.
mag-challenge tayo
No
No
Tagalog.
Tagalog challenge.
It's
Okay.
only...
Okay, game.
wala dyan, sakit.
Gab, speaking English.
We're going to McDonald's.
And buy something.
In the front of Tidel.
In Capitol.
Capital. Capital Balanga, Bataan.
Ay, Tagalog. Ay, I'm so sorry. I didn't
Hi.
mean it.
You speak Tagalog. You're so Bobby. The streak is not firing.
I'm thinking.
Uy, huwag ka mo- Oy. Be quiet.
Okay.
I need Google Translate.
It's so easy.
No!
Yeah.
For me, it's difficult.
English is so easy.
Yeah.
Because
Because
in our university,
Baka puti.
our prof is training us to speak in English in recitation.
Famous.
tawid ka daw, Mi.
We're going to Tawid because there are many boys in our back.
Sakay na kaya tayo.
Kung kailan malapit. Hey. Uy. Oh my gosh, we're going to ride in a motorcycle. Ah, motorcycle.
McDonald's pa.
It's tricycle.
Diversion. Ah, ano ka doon?
Ouch.
I'm so, tatakot ako.
You're not
so
going to
scared.
scared.
I'm so
Don't be scared.
No. Wow! I'm so scared.
You're just scared.
Baka first time mo maging glass. God.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yes.
Yes. Follow me on IG. KRL, JMNC, DRC. And to my YT account.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is your YT account? What? YT account.
YT account.
Yeah.
I don't have.
Why did you say that? Why did you say to them that you have an
Follow me on TikTok na lang. Yeah, I'm a TikToker.
We don't care.
And we are going to eat
Oh,
na.
ano ka, Gab? Diversion nga.
Oh my God. It's not giving. Because there are McDonald's here. But
We
are going to
here,
the...
but we're going to diversion.
we are going to the Malayong branch. Par branch. you're napupupunan. Why diversion?
Ano ba kayo gab? Kasi daw namasahe.
Nang?
Namasahe. Sabi mo pang masahe daw. Ay, natatakot na ako. Ano, may trust issue mo.
Bakit?
Ano daw? Eh kung magnanakaw pala yun.
Oo. Hindi wala nang cellphone sila.
We're going to Pampanga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we just
Okay, oh my god, we're here.
in English lang sumakay.
Passenger.
Passenger princess.
We are the passenger.
There's no people in the road. Because you're rude. The wind is
The
wind.
wheels on the bus go round and
There are crocodile here.
round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Oh my god. Guess that City Bataan is closed.
Because it's already 12 p.m. in the morning.
Yeah. It's 11:57. Look,
Okay na tayo Pampanga.
let's go. Let's go to Pampanga. Para lang mag-makro.
Promise. Oh my god, we're here. We are here.
Pay for the ano muna. I will pay later. Because I don't have one.
I don't care.
And you will treat me in McDonald's.
Pa ba?
Yes. Because you are rich. And I'm poor.
I am poor.
No.
You're the one.
Oh my gosh, there's no people here.
Bobo ka! Kuya, magkano po? Magkano gab?
Kuya, magkano po? 45.
45? 45? May ba?
It's only 40 pesos. Kuya will send us to Police.
Tagal eh! It's
Thank you po.
Hindi pa
Thank you po.
Oh. Working.
Macdo, Philippines.
Masakay daw.
No. Kakababa lang po namin eh. Say hi, kuya. Hi. I don't have tama. Tahimik sa loob.
O, tapos mag-iingay ka.
Oh my gosh.
Over there, over here.
La, where? We're going to take it home. Doon na lang.
Bug pa naman, talaga.
Doon na lang. Ay, bawal. Oh my gosh. Naan? Ay, love. We're going home. Where is home? TikTok.
Sakit na ito. Siguro naipit sa pan.
Yung bata.
Oh,
Naipit yung bata sa tanong.
may multo ba dito?
Hindi ko
Where's the panabong?
Over there.
Lili ko pa, diba? Dito na. Ganda ng ano ko. Setting spray. Hindi natanggal makeup.
Ano gamit mo?
Vaseline.
Mahal
Na green.
naman eh.
Lo!
189.
Pwede na yun eh.
O, doon nga sa buy 1 take 1.
Alin?
300 na.
Na dasal may. Ano mo yung dalawa? Ay, pangit yung pink. Matte yun eh. Ay, dapat pala sa'yo matte kasi oily ka eh.
Ilang size na yun?
Huh? Tangina. Corny mo. You're so corny. Tulog na ano man yan. Di ba Rudolph yung sa Christmas tree? Ay, Christmas tree. Kay Santa Claus yan.
Ano daw?
Si Rudolph. Ay, reindeer putik. May hams pala. Sorry. Oh.
May hams yun. May hams pa dyan.
Saan?
Dati may pagbabi ako, patakbo ah.
Ha?
Hams.
Hindi pa ganyan yung mga nagawa na.
Boy, gusto ko yung dyan.
Oh, balik na.
Balik mo na sa susunod.
Huwag lang maingay guys. Hindi ko tayo sa dito. Natin.
Gosh.
Saka ka lagi sa reklamo mo.
Kailan? Dugan mo kaming ano, room. Here. Madali mong nakawan to kasi yung lock. Take lang. Sponsored by JRS.
Ang ingay niya.
Di ako makita sa dilim mo. Pumipin lang. Downy.
Dahil yan. Dahil
Ay, Del. Hoy, huwag kang maingay. Dali talaga nakawan ay.
Oh, it's so messy.
Here. Wow. It's Jollibee.
kusuwi ko dun.
I'm going to lock it.
I hear it, Lala.
Nilak ko na. Ay, shucks. Ay, malaki. Wow! Daggeries. Wait, it's not malamig. Hi, guys. Ito ang aking quarantine room. I'm going to brush my hair. Depende sa'yo. Kasi gamit ko gel eh, ng bench.
Buksan mo phone.
Hey, where's my phone? Ito gamit. Bossing!
Saan extension mo meron?
Hindi tayo meron.
May extension mo? Extension mo?
I got my phone. Let's say something. One here.
Dami-dami bumit ni Carla ka.
Palayasin mo, pauwi mo ka.
Ay, wag naman wala na ako sasakyan.
Uy, sinampak na ito ba? Check ko sa mama mo.
Let's take a picture. Picture.
Proof that we're going.
That we're here. Man. Hindi naman kita. Hi guys, we are going to watch Tarot.